What's up guys, and welcome back again to my channel. And in this video I want to show you on how to make an oil catch can from sedimentor, or what they call the fuel water separator. So we're going to put this here on the right side of the engine bay, which is just beside the ABS and the turbocharger. And in here we're going to fasten here, or to fix the bracket here on this side, and we're going to use the support of the bracket here to fasten, or here on the support of the ABS. Alright, so this is the ABS, as you can see on the right side of the engine bay. So as you can see here, this is the sedimentor assembly, which is usually you will find this on the heavy equipment or the bigger diesel engines. So as you can see here, this is quite bigger and than any usual oil catch can that you can see in the market. So I'm going to convert this from sedimentor to oil catch can, and also I know this will work, and I'm sure 100% that this will work. So we're going to screw this curing cap using the oil filter spanner, and beforehand we already loosened this because it is very tight, and it cannot be unscrewed using only your bare hands. So there, this is the head. As you can see, the internal structure of the head. And for your information also, this is heat resistant, so I chose this, and it's made of aluminum material. So this is the baffle, or the strainer, and you can see here, this is the red thing that we're talking about it, and we're going to remove this because we don't need this, because this is only works on the water, and it floats only on the water, and it doesn't float in the oil. Alright, so, and you can see here the inside of the strainer, there's a small rubber like material in there, so we're going to remove that also because we don't need this. And the purpose of this one, this serves as a stopper so that no water will enter the fuel system or any kind of dirt, that it prevents the water from entering the fuel system. Alright, so we don't need this together with this red plastic ring. So this is what it looks like after we converted the fuel water separator or sedimentor to oil catch can on my 45.6 engine. Isn't it beautiful? It looks amazing, isn't it? So we'll take note. The odometer reading is 81,367 kilometers. And for your information, guys, that it so happened just right after I'm finished with my project, there's an onslaught of Typhoon Odette, which happened last December 2021 on the northern part of Mindanao. So this is the right opportunity to test the oil catch can if this really works, and I hope it will work. So I'm just going to show you the sneak peek of our humanitarian assistance at the Siargao Island, and this is the situation here in Siargao Island. And we are now proceeding to certain areas and render assistance. We will do the final sweep and clearing because we are the second batch here to be sent. And as you can see here, this is the Burgos town, which is located at the eastern part of Siargao Island. This is the most devastated part of the Siargao Island because this is where the typhoon that made its first landfall. And this is the Cloud9, where the surface haven, which is located in General Luna. So as you can see here, everything was wiped out and devastated along the path of the Typhoon Odette. So here we're going we're delivering clean fresh waters to remote villages in the Siargao and bringing joy to children by giving them small gifts like special mamon. And look at that. Alright, so we've traveled more than 700 kilometers from Davao to Siargao, vice versa. And as you can see here, look at that. That's a lot of oil. So we're going to drain it, and please be reminded that dispose your used oil or dirty oil responsibly or properly, and don't forget to clean the plug before you return or plug it in back. All right, and that's it. I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and use some idea on how to convert the fuel water separator or the sedimentor to oil catch can. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you, guys, and stay tuned for more interesting DIYs from yours truly, Adorable Hobby. Thank you very much, and see you next time.